talk to you about Invisalign. You get a starter box. Now, we recommend you to clean your aligners at least once a day. The cleaning crystals that they give you is an extra cost. We recommend using your toothbrush, and after you brush your teeth, use the foam that's left over on the toothbrush to brush the insides and the outsides of your aligners. That cleans it just as well, but there are other ways that you can clean them. You can go on Amazon and they have Invisalign tablets, especially to clean aligners. So you can purchase that as well. This is what the inside of the case looks like. And we recommend you to wear your Invisalign 22 out of 24 hours a day. Your Invisalign should be in your mouth, except for when you're eating or when you're brushing your teeth. When you do take them out, make sure to put them in your case. Make sure never to put them in a napkin or on a lunch tray, because it's so easy just to throw those things away, whereas you're not going to throw away your case. So a good motto to live by is when your aligners aren't in your face, keep them in your case. So one thing you are going to get in your starter bag is these things called chewies. These feel like little pieces of like rubber cotton rolls. And what it does is it helps to get a good fit of your aligners. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hold it in between your fingers and just bite down pretty hard, and then you're gonna open, and you're gonna bite down and open and bite and open and bite. You're gonna do this all the way around to make sure that you're getting the best fit you can. Another term that I do want to bring to your attention is ear gapping, and that is the space in between your teeth and the aligners. So the chewies help with air gapping. Now, this space that you see that's in between the aligners and the teeth is the air gap, and the chewy is gonna help make sure that you're getting the best fit you can. The next thing I'm gonna talk about is air gaps that don't get better. If you've been in your aligners for a couple of days and they aren't getting better, even with using the chewies throughout the day, just let us know. You would want to text or call us. All right, the next thing I'm going to talk about is these little hooks that you can use if your Invisalign is just too stubborn and will not come out. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the tip of this and go to your Invisalign and pull down, just like that. Now, some areas might be more difficult than others, but you want to start on one side and kind of work your way around the Invisalign to make sure you get it off properly. Be aware that Invisalign does stain very easily. So you want to avoid anything that's going to be too dark, like anything that has caffeine in it or red wine, stuff like that can stain your aligners. Try to stick to liquids that are clear, like water. That's your best bet. Anything that has sugar in it can actually sit on your teeth because it's kind of like stuck in the aligners. So you want to stay away from anything that has sugar in it. I would recommend not drinking anything too hot or too cold, because those things can distort the material in the aligners, and it can cause fit issues.
If you do have something happen to your aligner, whether the dog gets to it or you toss it, if you're pretty far into your switch interval, you can see if you can segue into the next aligner with a good fit. But if you're right on the cusp of just having switched, you're gonna probably wanna go back to the previous aligner. So if you do have to go back, is contact our office via call or text. We're going to want you to hold on to all of your aligners until you're completely done with treatment, just in case you have an issue where you need to go back in your aligners. If you're not sure how to tell which aligners which, or they get mixed up, what you're going to see is on the molars of the upper and the lower, it's going to have a number on it. And you can match the number of the aligner to the numbered pouch